Hey everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. Don't have a traditional bank account but need to fund your PayPal? This year it's easier than ever, and today I'm showing you the 3 ways to bypass the bank using physical cash, prepaid cards and even mobile check deposits, so you can shop or send money instantly. Right, method number 1. So the fastest way to digitalize your cash is at the checkout counter. So you just open up your app on PayPal and tap finances or your balance. So for example, on desktop, you just tap on your balance. After that, select add money and then add cash at a store. You just choose a retailer like Walmart, 7-Eleven or CVS. And the barcode. The app generates a unique barcode. Hand your phone and your cash to the cashier. They scan it, you pay a small fee, around $3.95, and the money hits your balance in minutes. Okay, and now if you have a prepaid Visa or MasterCard, go to your wallet and then select link a card. It's going to be this big button here. And enter the prepaid card details. So there you go, all of these details. And also most reloadable prepaid cards are accepted as funding sources. And also we have a check trick. So have a paper check, use the Cash a Check feature in the app. Just snap a photo of the front and back. You can choose to pay a small fee for instant access or wait a few days for a free deposit. And now, after this, your PayPal is funded and ready for action, no bank required. If this guide helped you stay unbanked but connected, hit subscribe and like the video.